In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set importance for an email in Outlook. We're going to do this in Outlook on the web, and we'll start from a clean slate. Open your web browser and head to your favorite search page. In the search box, type Outlook. Look for the official Microsoft Outlook result, then click through to Open Outlook in your browser. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and sign into your account so you can see your mailbox. Once Outlook loads, navigate to your inbox from the left-hand side. This is where you'll see your list of messages. Find the email you want to mark as important. You don't need to open it. Simply select it in the message list so it's highlighted. Now, look for the small flag icon associated with that email. In Outlook on the web, the flag typically appears to the right of the message preview when you hover over it, or in the toolbar when the message is selected. Click the flag icon. When you do, the email becomes flagged, which is Outlook's way of marking it as important for your follow-up and organization. Flagging does a couple of useful things. It visually stands out in your inbox, and it lets you quickly gather these items later in views or filters that focus on flagged messages. If you change your mind, you can click the same flag again to unflag the message, removing the importance marker. If you need to mark several messages at once, you can do that too. In your inbox, hover over each message you want to include and select its checkbox. You'll see a series of check marks appear next to those emails, and a toolbar will show up at the top of the list for bulk actions. With your messages selected, choose Flag from the toolbar to mark all of them at the same time. If any of them are already flagged and you want to clear the mark, choose Unflag from the same toolbar. This bulk approach is perfect when you're organizing a busy inbox or preparing a quick to-do group from your recent messages. A couple of quick tips as you work. Flagging an email is a personal organization tool. It doesn't change the content of the message, and it doesn't notify the sender. It's simply a clear visual cue for you to prioritize follow-up. And remember, you can always toggle flags on or off if your priorities shift. That's all you need to set importance using flags in Outlook. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.